Hi, this is Venugopal. I have done MTech from JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad. So here I am going to discuss about the heat and mass transfer tuition. So in this tuition, we are going to I am going to teach about the heat and mass transfer subject, which is for the mechanical engineering students, mostly in the 3-2 or semester. In this particular subject, there are both topics. Most majority of the discussion is about the heat transfer, and also part of the subject is mass transfer. So in the heat and mass transfer course, this is designed as per the JNTU syllabus. In this course I will be teaching about various kinds of heat transfer methods, like conduction, convection and radiation, and also mass transfer, various mechanisms of mass transfer, and also different kind of problems which will be coming in the examination, and how to solve those problems with the help of charts, like heat and mass transfer tables and steam tables, things like that. So this is how the summary of the course. Coming to the next topic is, what are the units covered is, the first unit it talks about conduction of heat transfer, that is conduction heat transfer, which is a direct contact type of heat transfer between the two objects. That is yeah, I will be discussing. So various type of objects will be possible. And in the second unit, we'll be discussing about the one dimensional steady state heat conduction, as well as unsteady state heat conduction. So one dimensional and steady state and unsteady state heat conduction will be discussed. And in the third unit we will be discussing about the convective heat transfer. In the convective heat transfer, both free convection and forced convection both will be discussed, both will be taught to the student, so that he can solve the problems related to convective heat transfer as well. And in the fourth unit, we'll be discussing, I'll be teaching about the heat transfer with a phase change. Means wherever there is a phase change occurs, there is a heat transfer with respect to the phase change as well. That is like, if the phase is changing from solid to liquid, or liquid to vapor, or back from vapor to liquid, or vapor liquid to solid, and there will be different kinds of heat transfer occurs. Those are called boiling heat transfers, condensation heat transfer and radiation heat transfer. So I'll be explaining along with the problems on this particular topic. And the fifth unit is heat exchangers. We heat exchangers, various types of heat exchangers, like straight flow or counter flow heat exchangers. This kind of heat exchangers will be explained, and some kind of problems will be also taught with respect to LMTD and NTU methods. So that is about the heat exchangers. It involves most of the times the heat theory will be maximum in this particular unit. So, and the final discussion is about the mass transfer, which is mass transfer involves the different laws like Fick's law, and the kind of different ways of transferring the mass transfer, as long as similar to the heat transfer. So we have an analogy with respect to heat transfer also will be taught in the particular unit. And we also we discuss about the correlations, like momentum and other correlations in this particular unit. So overall, this particular, after studying this subject, the student will be confident to attempt the examination of heat and mass transfer, and he can get a good marks in the subject in the examination. Thank you.